Her head was stuck in a tall tree. She couldn't breathe, couldn't move, just gasping for help. A stranger saw her pain and refused to walk away. Rescuers came just in time. She was scared, but alive. They treated her gently, gave her care and medicine. The man welcomed her into his home, safe, warm, and loved. But when she finally healed, he opened the door. He let her go, to be wild, to be free, to find her kind. And today, she's not alone. She built a family, and he still watches from a distance with a full heart.